But first of all, every .NET application needs the .NET framework as an environment to be executed. So, like this does not happen here because the application is not running somewhere in memory and being executed with full access to all the resources of the computer system. It's running within the .NET framework. And the .NET framework actually works like a basket. You pull it in and then you let it run. And then you close the basket with a security system. And this is called CASPOL, Code Access Security Policy. So you can create groups of permission sets. You can create code groups. And you can relate them to a specific kind of .NET application to make sure this application has the rights it needs to have. So an application cannot do anything on its own permission, and it cannot leave the environment. At this time, a program language had specific commands, for example, to open a file. In the .NET languages, and the most common languages in the .NET framework is VB.NET and it's C#, they don't have any commands for that. So the number of commands in the .NET languages are, in their commands, they are definitely reduced because, of course, one part of the .NET framework is the input-output namespace with all the classes. So this application does not even require a handle from the operating system. It does not. It just requires from the framework, I would like to open a file. And therefore, the program has to make an instance of the file stream object, and then to make an instance of the stream reader and tell the stream reader to use that file stream object and then get data into memory, right? And the funniest thing is, and I've been developing websites in .NET, I've been developing Windows forms in .NET, and I've been developing mobile devices. And of course, the operating system of a mobile device, like a smartphone, is totally different than Windows. But the input-output class is the same. So the commands are the same, the interfaces are the same. So I can write one code that is working on Windows, that is working in the web, and that is working on a mobile device. That's one of the reasons to use .NET technology, because you only communicate always with the framework. So what do you care what kind of operating system is lying underneath?